If you're looking to host your own family fondue night, we've gathered the best fondue pots for you to choose from. There are many products available to choose fondue pots, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best fondue pots from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Cuisinart Fondue Pot. While an electric fondue pot isn't traditional, it's certainly convenient, and this fondue pot is also very attractive. It has a brushed finish on the bowl and ring, and a mirrored finish on the stand and handles. The ring has notches to hold the forks in place. This pot can be used with any type of fondue, including oil, broth, chocolate, or cheese. Temperature is controlled with a dial with 8 different settings. Foods can be heated right in the pot, no need to heat anything on the stove first. For oil cooking, it takes 10 to 15 minutes to reach 375 degrees. The bowl is 3 quarts and has a non-stick coating for easy cleaning. After removing the temperature probe and cord, the rest of the components can be washed in the dishwasher. 8 fondue forks are included. Number 2. Swissmer Lugano 2-quart cast iron cheese fondue set. The sturdy cast iron pot retains heat well and can be used right on the stove, so you don't need to dirty a second pot to melt the cheese and then transfer it. The stand is made from wrought iron and holds a gel container that provides heat. The enamel coating in the cast iron pot means that the pot doesn't need to be seasoned before use, but non-stick or wooden utensils should be used for cooking the fondue. It should be hand-washed. The pot can be used on any heat source. The pot is 2 quarts, so it will be useful even after the fondue is over. You can use it for warming sauces or heating milk for hot cocoa, and it's attractive enough for serving. Number 3. Bosca Tea Light Tapas Fondue Set. Bosca makes several styles of melted cheese contraptions powered with tea lights or fuel gel, from personal-sized raclette makers to 54-ounce party-sized fondue pot. This model is the smallest in the line, holding 13.5 ounces of melted goodness. While this isn't a classic fondue pot design, it works the same way. Its diminutive size makes it great for fondue as an appetizer or for a tapas dinner. While this is designed for cheese, it can also be used for chocolate. The ceramic pot is dishwasher and microwave safe. Number 4. Nostalgia 4-tier electric chocolate fondue fountain machine. Generous capacity for parties. Can also be used with liqueurs, nacho cheese, and other sauces. Disassembles for cleanup. Nostalgia also makes a few different models of chocolate fountains, including some with a smaller 1.5-pound capacity if this size is too large for your needs. There are separate switches for heating and the motor. When you're not using this for chocolate, you can use it for cheese fondues, sauces, and more. Try it with barbecue sauce for your wings and ribs. The 4 tiers are easy to assemble for use and just as easy to disassemble for cleaning and storage. Number 5. Dash Deluxe Stainless Steel Fondue Maker. This electric fondue maker comes with 8 color-coded forks, so you and your guests can keep track of which ones belong to who throughout the night. The pot even has convenient racks for storing the forks and reducing drips. The removable pot is made of non-stick stainless steel for easy cleaning. You can even stick the pot in the dishwasher. A precise temperature dial keeps things heated at your preferred temperature. Long, cool touch handles keep your hands from being burned while working with the heated pot. This product also features attachable ingredient cups to hold the tasty treats you plan on dipping in the fondue. The pot is versatile, too, as it's able to heat cheese, chocolate, oils, and broth. With a 3-quart capacity, you'll have enough fondue to feed the hungriest group. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.